Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon don. Start by cooking 1 cup sushi rice and seasoning it while warm with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Sear a salmon fillet quickly for crisp outside and tender center, then slice thinly. Assemble by pressing rice into bowls, layering sliced salmon, and finishing with soy sauce, sesame oil, and scallions for brightness and texture. Cook rice methodically for the best texture. Rinse 1 cup sushi rice until the runoff is clear, then cook with a 1:1 rice to water ratio and a tight lid. Let the cooked rice rest covered for 10 minutes to finish steaming. While it rests, mix rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a little salt, then fold this into the rice gently to keep each grain distinct and glossy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute smelling great while you enjoy homemade meals. I love the scent, and it's a small change that brightens cooking moods on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose fresh salmon and cook it with care. Pat the fillet dry, season lightly with salt, and sear skin side down until crisp, flipping briefly so the center stays moist. Slice the fish thinly against the grain for tender bites, then arrange over the seasoned rice. Finish with sesame seeds, thinly sliced scallions, nori strips, and a drizzle of soy or a splash of citrus for balance and brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.